And this is a good place to do some analysis. So I'm going to stop the data collection. So for an introductory class, this might be a good place to have an inquiry lab. Have the students design experiments to make the reaction happen faster or slower, changing concentrations or changing temperatures, or even changing dyes to see if all dyes react in a similar fashion. For a more advanced class, you want to have you want to do some more analysis on the data. And that's where the SparkView software comes in. So I'm going to build a new page. And with kinetics, there are three things that we typically look at. We look at concentration versus time, natural log of concentration versus time, and 1 over concentration versus time. Now, using the colorimeter, absorbance is proportional to concentration, so we can use that as our measurement. And we can actually plot all of those things at once to see which one gives us the straightest line, and that'll give us an indication of the order of the reactants in the reaction. So I'm going to create a couple of data sets. I'm going to create a natural log of absorbance. So we'll do natural log of our orange absorbance, because that's what we're measuring. I'll do the inverse of absorbance. So orange absorbance. And those are the two calculations that I need. So now I'm going to take advantage of the multiple y-axis. I'm going to plot absorbance. If that's straight, it's a 0-order reaction. I'm going to plot natural log of absorbance. If that's straight, it's a first-order reaction. And inverse absorbance. If that's straight, it's a second-order reaction. All of them versus time on a multiple y-axis. So I'll hit OK. And each of them looks fairly straight, but we can actually, with the SparkView software, we can figure out which one is the straightest, or which one has the best fit. So first I'll select my y1, which is absorbance, and I'll do a fit on there. We're looking for straight lines, so we'll do a linear fit. And the R in this case is 0.997, with a root mean square error of 0.00454. It's pretty good. Now if we look at the second, y2, that's the natural log. Can do a linear fit on that one. The R on this one is 1, so very good data. And the root mean square error is 0.00207, so a smaller squared error, closer to 1 or 1 for R, indicating a very, very good fit. And just to be thorough, we'll check the last one. So we'll select y3, do the linear fit. And the R is 0.996, so not as good. So definitely y2 is the straightest line, indicating that the natural log gives us the best fit, indicating a first-order reaction. So again, for advanced users, we have these tools available to do those kinds of calculations. Then from the slope of the line, we can figure out K and do some more analysis of the reaction. But this very simple experiment, bleach and blue dye, gives us lots of opportunities to study kinetics, from the very basic to the more advanced, all using our SparkView tools and software. Thank you very much. This has been Tom Loschiavo. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach me at chemistry@pasco.com. Thank you.